Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this wonderful coaster or doily design. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, a chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and skip one stitch, and in next stitch, say in every second stitch we will join it. Okay, the third stitch, sorry. Now in 3 continuous stitches we will make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, 1, 2 and 3. See, 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Again I will make a chain of 3 chain crochet stitches, skip a stitch and join it in the third stitch with the slip stitch. Again in 3 continuous stitches I'll make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. So like this pattern we are going to do all around, in all complete round. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now we will join a blue color yarn. Okay, and that we will do in that chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. See, we will make a chain crochet around that chain. Got it? Okay, after that make 7 double crochet stitches around that chain. 7. Okay, 7 double crochet stitches in around that chain. Now once we are done with the 7 double crochet stitches, now we make a chain crochet stitch. This is the last double crochet stitch. Okay, These are 7 double crochet stitches. Now we make a chain crochet stitch and we turn our work. See, now starting from first stitch itself, we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. I'll just show you. Here we are done with 7 single crochet stitches, in one in each. Okay, now we will make a chain crochet stitch and we will turn our work. Now we are going to make loops. Okay, and those loops we will be making by inserting a needle in gap of every 2 stitches, gap which is coming between every 2 stitches. So we'll just insert a needle, pull the yarn, and we have to make 8 loops on a needle. One loop is already there, and as 7 stitches were there, so 7 loops will come. So 7 plus 1, 8. So we have 8 loops on the needle. Now we will yarn over and pull through from first loop, and after that we will yarn over and pull through from 2 loops till end. Okay, now this process is going to be same throughout our pattern. Okay, we are done. Now see, in now whatever rows we are making, each row we will leave first gap. Now leaving first gap of every row, again we make loops from those middle gap between 2 stitches, and with every row one loop is going on reducing. Earlier we had 8, now we will have 7. Okay, now we will yarn over, pull through from first one, and then yarn over, pull through from 2 loops till end. See. Okay, now again we will leave first gap, and from next gap we will make loops, and now we will have 6 loops. One is already there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here comes 6. See, one loop is going on reducing. Okay, yarn over, pull through from first loop, then yarn over, pull through from 2 loops. Okay, then again same process. So one loop is going to reduce. This we are going to do till we are left with only one loop. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. And please, sorry for the background noise, my kid is playing. See, now here we are done with all the loops. Now we have only one loop on a needle. Okay, now we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, after that in first stitch we will make a slip stitch. Now we have to come down making one slip stitch in each single stitch using all those outer threads of every stitch. Okay, see, we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch and we will come down till our double crochet stitch. Okay, till there we will make, and when we reach that double crochet stitch, then we make 2 chain crochet stitch and join it with the chain again with a slip stitch. See, we have almost reached over there. See, now we make one more slip stitch. Okay, here comes our double crochet stitch. So now we make our last slip stitch, and now we make 3 chain crochet stitches and join it with the chain where we have made a complete pattern with the slip stitch. Okay, now we will make a white pattern. For that white pattern we will keep 2 loops on a needle and add a white yarn. Now we pull a white yarn from those 2 loops and we will make now 20 chain crochet stitches. Remember, 20 chain crochet stitches. Sorry for background noise, my kid is playing. Now when we are done with 20 chain crochet stitches, starting from first stitch itself, we will make incomplete double crochet stitch. Incomplete, it's like last loop of every double crochet stitch should be on a needle. So by end of the complete chain of 20 chain crochet stitches, we should have 20 loops on a needle. So this is how we are going to do it. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Now once we are done with the 20 means loops on a needle, so now we will yarn over and pull a yarn from all 20 loops at once. See, I'm pulling it from all 20 loops at once. Okay, and now we will join it with the stitch we started. We have to skip next stitch, and in third stitch we will make a slip stitch. See, I have skipped the second stitch and in third stitch I made a slip stitch. Okay, so like this pattern you have to repeat in every place where we have made that 3 single crochet stitches. Okay, now again we will get back to because now we are on that chain of 3 chain crochet stitches, so we need to make a blue pattern. So we will have 2 loops on the needle, add a blue yarn from pull that blue yarn from 2 loops, and we will start with a blue pattern again. So same, where you get that 3 chain crochet stitches, make blue pattern. When you get 3 single crochet stitches, make white pattern. Okay, I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you how it looks. See, this is how a pattern is going to look like. Okay, now just a final step is pending. Now what we will do in that blue design, we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around that blue design. Okay, in the border. Okay, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. This you have to do only till you reach the double crochet stitch on when you make complete border with 1 slip stitch in each single stitch, and down we have made double crochet stitch. So when we reach that double crochet stitch, uh, we have to stop and we will make a slip stitch with the next blue designs double crochet stitch. So like both blue designs get attached. Okay, I'll just show you this how to. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, here I reached that double crochet stitch. Okay, now from here to the next blue designs double crochet stitch, see, I'm making a slip stitch, so like both are getting attached. And again I will start with this blue design. Again I'll make a complete border, means like every stitch in the border I'll make a slip stitch. And again when we reach that double crochet stitch, we will attach another blue one, so like whole design gets attached. And it is down, so like it is not even seen that it is getting attached, but it looks good. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, this is how it looks after we get that complete white border. Okay, see, it's look good. Now we will work on this white design, white pattern. Okay, we are going to make one slip stitch in complete border, in complete white border. In every single stitch we are going to make one slip stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, when we reach our last stitch, making slip stitches, when we reach our last stitch, now that stitch we will join with the middle stitch of that blue design. We have left that, we have skipped that stitch. There we will join, and from there only we will start with the other white pattern. So like white patterns are also getting attached. I'll just complete this white pattern and I'll show you. Now a complete coaster is complete. Now it depends on you. You want to decorate it any more, you need to put beads or anything, you can decorate. I'll just show you my final piece. So this is how it looks after completing. So those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will request you to, if you like the video, please like, comment and share. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos, lots of coaster designs. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and if you like the video, like, comment and share. And those who have already subscribed, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.